Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another Dollar Tree DIY, and this time it is an Encanto themed centerpiece. This would be so cute for a party. Make sure you hit that subscribe bell to see more fun content as soon as it releases. All right, let's dive right into this adorable centerpiece. I'm using one of those party cups and a balloon weight, of course one of the splatter screens to get that circle, some Dollar Tree flowers, a pool noodle, and we're going to be checking out one of those candles. Now those butterflies are not from Dollar Tree, although I have seen butterflies there. So the first thing I did was I removed the screen from the splatter screen. I'm keeping the handle intact. I'm just removing the screen. And then I'm going to attach it to that balloon weight. Now I chose gold for this, but they do have other colors. I'm using zip ties to secure the splatter screen to the weight. And the weight is important because the cup is so lightweight. We need something heavy in it. And the cup is the perfect base for this centerpiece. So I'm using a zip tie at the top, one towards the bottom, and then one in the middle. So that'll be 1, 2, 3 to secure that. One at the bottom, middle, and top. Now you can just move those wires and all of that fringe back into position and see how that's going to fit into the cup. All right, let's prep out our flowers. I'm just separating the flowers from the stems, and I am going to be collecting the leaves as well. We're going to add the leaves to the back side of the ring and the flowers to the front side. And don't worry if your leaves are all different colors like this. It really adds to the look and it ends up looking so cool. So this is the back side, and you can tell because I've got the back of the handle there, and we're gonna start by gluing the leaves to the back of that ring. If you wanted this to be a two-sided design, you would put flowers on both sides. You'd still do this layer of the green leaves, but then you would put flowers on both sides. So I'm just going around the whole outside of the ring, and I'm adding the leaves and hot gluing them down. Okay, I've got all of my leaves down. Now let's flip that over, clean up some of those cobwebs, and now we are ready to create the base for our candle. I wanted to create a base to give it a little lift, so I'm just using a cut pool noodle, and I'm adding some orange diamond mesh to that. Just gonna go ahead and hot glue that down. You could wrap this with anything that you wanted to. I just had this orange mesh on hand, and I always have a few pool noodles in my craft closet for these types of projects. So just go ahead and glue that down, and then we're just going to trim off any of that extra there. Now this little stand is perfect with the hole in the pool noodle because we're gonna glue it to that top portion of our weight. Now that is the portion that's on the balloon weight. So just go ahead and hot glue that down so that it goes onto the weight and through that hole. Now I'm just adding the flowers, and I'm trying to do them in a sort of patterned way. So purple here, purple there. Look at how gorgeous it's already turning out. Of course, I picked colors that were very Encanto. So go ahead and just hot glue those down. And like I said, if you wanted this to be double-sided, you would just go ahead and add hot glue flowers to both sides. All right, let's add some of our little pops of orange. Need a little kick of color, and let's add some butterflies. Like I said, these were not from Dollar Tree. These were some that I have. We're gonna go ahead and cut off those wires, but we needed gold butterflies for our Encanto theme because that is an important part of the movie, and I'm just gonna scatter them and glue them across the flowers. You can see how this fits right into our cup. Now these cups at Dollar Tree are found in the party section. And let's take a look at this candle. Now, I've never bought these ones, so I'm hoping it has a nice, good glow. Let's take a, ooh, that looks fabulous. Now I'm gonna glue a butterfly to the center, and look how cute that turns out. I love the little stand. It works perfect, and it's lightweight. So fun. Thanks so much for watching and crafting along with me for this Encanto-themed centerpiece. Most of these materials were from Dollar Tree. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to see more fun content like this.